At GE, we've dedicated the last 2.5 years trying to come up with a solution for the mold mildew concern among many consumers. Right now in the industry, there's more of a workaround and more of a Band-Aid where they say, leave the door cracked, from time to time, wipe the inner door. However, GE has come out with a new solution with our new UltraFresh Vent System with OdorBlock, essentially closing the door on odor. Here's how it works. The UltraFresh Vent System, at the end of your cycle, you would press your UltraFresh Vent button. It opens up baffles here that lets in ambient air from the outside into the tub. Your tub rotates for about 100 to 200 RPMs, where it creates a vortex of air drawn in air into the tub. It will rotate for about 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off until it gets your tub dry. OdorBlock Technology, we've partnered with a company called Microban. Everywhere you see blue on the inside of this machine and in the dispenser is embedded with Microban. Microban essentially is the leader in antimicrobials and keeping odor off your clothes. It's found in things such as dry fit polos to baby changing stations, anywhere where bacteria is a key cognizant. So with that, GE has come out with the first front load washer where you can close the door on odor and not have to leave your door cracked.